Alright, first thing first. That area come off with the bush in the night. I don't think that's supposed to happen. And the aisle gallery I have something in it. I don't know what is come out of the aisle gallery, you know. Feel like some kind of... You don't want to feel like carbon, but it's tougher than that. So it look like that itch up in the aisle port them. But that's not supposed to drop aisle pressure. Unless you lock off the aisle gallery to the bearings them and the spin bearings, but it ain't make no noise. But anyway, may I go and pull. Alright. So me 100% understand why the bolt that did stay so now. See pipe there? See angle how me make? And it just nah pull. May I have to go cut it off. Some of them nut and bolt here just now want comply and we have to resort to violence. But anything to get the job done. I really see nothing wrong with the oil pump here, you know. Clearance in there look tight. That turn alright. Down at the back down there so nowhere. But anyway, I have a new one so I'll change it. So that means we still don't find a problem. Alright. First one I pull off. This is number 1. Yo, this have one deep gouge in it. See that? Whoa. Anyway, I'll start mark them because I don't want to mix them up. But